Welcome to our house in Tasmania, and you're watching the Fantastic Four.
We are here at Jane's house in Launceston, and we wanted to start you off with our view at the end of the driveway here over the beautiful city of Launceston. So I'll start you off here at sort of the front door. We are sharing this house with Jane and her family, and we are below their house actually. So if you want to take a look this way, the driveway goes up there, and it's incredibly steep actually. As we found, all of the streets and sidewalks around here are very steep. But if you go up there and if you go left, then you'll have entrance to their house above us. So we are below their home here, and if you notice, we have sort of a sliding door entrance here. And there's this threshold here, and we've kept the doors open because it's just been so beautiful. Except for that one day, a little blue-tongued skink came creeping along here, and he was peeking over the threshold. And the blue-tongued skink is probably about this big, and its head, when it was just peeking over, looked like a snake. So you can imagine how Mitchell reacted to that. So needless to say, we kept the front door here closed from that point on. But I'll take you into the foyer area. So this is the foyer area, and Autumn actually enjoyed sitting here. She worked on her computer a lot and did some school and some writing there. And then on either side of the foyer are our bedrooms. So if you come over here, this is where Mitchell and I slept. And as you can see, it also has a really beautiful, expansive view of Launceston. And then on the other side of the foyer here is where the girls slept. And when Mitchell peeks in here, you'll see that there are a set of bunk beds. And whenever there are bunk beds, it's definitely a good thing for Eden because she absolutely loves to be on top. So you can see it's kind of a small bedroom, but it worked for the girls. They don't mind it at all. And again, like I said, Eden had a ball just being able to sleep on top of the bunk in here. So I'll take you back out here into the foyer, which leads into the kitchen / living room area. So we have one couch here and a TV, which was nice. We had a movie night once or twice here, which was good. We ate all of our meals here, and we had a full kitchen. So if you come in here, you can see there's lots of pots and pans, a microwave, an oven, a full fridge. So we were able to purchase all of our food and prepare all our meals here at this house, which is always a good thing because we did not have any expenses of eating out while we were here. So that is definitely a bonus. Not all of the apartments or houses that we've been in have come as fully stocked as this place. So it's been a really nice sort of amenity, and all the pans and silverware and everything were just really nice, high quality. So that's unusual. So we really enjoyed that aspect of this place. So I'm going to take you into this next room, which is the laundry room. So we had a full-size washer this time, which was great. And I'll show you where we dried our clothes because most places where we stayed don't have a dryer. And I'll show you where we dried our clothes in just a minute. But this is the laundry room, so it's a nice, easy, enjoyable place to work. And then I'll take you into the bathroom here. And I want you to just stop and take a look at the shower. It's really unique. It's just sort of, I'm gonna just walk in here so you can see. So it's just sort of this sort of long stall and with a really nice shower head. Anyway, it's just really interesting because there's no door, and it was very disconcerting for Autumn, but she got over it. And if you come in here, you can see that there's a bathtub. And then just kind of the rest is a conventional Western style bathroom area. But it was nice to have a bathtub for Eden because she had basically hours of enjoyment for bathing in bubbles. They also had bubbles, which was nice. So I'm going to take you out this door. We're going out of the laundry room now onto the back deck. And we're going into the backyard area of this house, which is also really beautiful. But I want you to watch your head, Mitch. This is where we dried our clothes. This is actually a compact sort of drying rack that folds up and goes into the wall, which is really nice. But I left it out because I can't figure out how to put it back. So this is where we dried our clothes when we washed them this week. And then this is the deck area, which had a nice big table, and then again, beautiful expansive views of the city. So it's just very pleasant out here. And a nice big backyard. It's a little steep, so we couldn't really play ball and do that kind of thing out here, but it was nice to just kind of get out and be able to run. We also enjoyed this hammock here. Actually, Eden and I hung out in here quite a bit. We've done a lot of reading in here, actually. So anyway, this is our home here in Launceston, and we have really enjoyed our space here. As always, we are so thankful that you're following along on our journey. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel because we have so many more videos coming your way. Have a great day. Bye.